Hey there! Today, we're going to show you how to delete your avatar on Snapchat using your Android device. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Look for the iconic yellow ghost logo and tap to launch the app. Next, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile settings. Now, at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the gear icon to access your account settings. Within the settings, locate and tap on Bitmoji. This will lead you to the section where you can manage your Bitmoji avatar. Tap on Unlink My Bitmoji at the bottom of the screen. This will disconnect your Bitmoji from your Snapchat account. To remove your Bitmoji avatar completely, tap on Remove. Confirm your decision to delete your avatar by tapping this option. By following these steps, you can easily delete your avatar on Snapchat, removing it from your profile. Remember to unlink your Bitmoji first before removing it to ensure a clean deletion. Thank you for watching and happy snapping.